What is the number before tayo ha? What is the number before 9? 8. Okay, step forward. Okay, Jaden. What is the number before 2? 3. Okay, step. What is the number before 1?
2.
No. 0. Very good. Okay, step. Okay, what is the number before 5? 4. Step. Okay. What? Focus. What is the number before 8?
9.
No. 8. Before 8. 7. Step forward, Jaden. Okay. What is the number? Focus, focus. What is the number before 10? 9. Okay, step forward. Okay, what is the number before? Listen. What is the number before 2? 1. Step forward. Okay. What is the number before 3? 2. Very good. Now step forward. Jaden, focus. Oh, makinig ha. What is the number before 4?
6. 7.
Before.
5.
Before.
3.
3. Okay, again. What is the number? No. Habol. What is the number before 10? 9. Okay. What is the number? Okay, what is the number before 8? 7. Okay. O, ikaw naman. Ang kalaban mo naman siya. Kalaban mo naman to. Ito. O, manalo pala ko si Jaden and ano?